Today, we are going to learn about the vowel sound oi. The oi is created by blending o and e together to form a new sound. The oi, like in the word toy, is produced by rapidly moving the tongue from the back of the mouth to the forward high part of the mouth. The jaw begins lowered and partially open and moves to an almost closed position. The lips begin forward and rounded and move into a retracted state with the corners of the mouth pulled back, like a slight smile. The oi is tense and long in duration. Tension should be felt in the jaw, lips, and tongue, just like this.
Oi,
Now, let's talk about how the oi sound is written in English. O-Y, boy. O-I, oil. Then, let's practice the oi sound in words.